Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a workflow that helps you to see the temperature in your country or another country. Okay, we need to start with the submission to get your submission you want, and we need to add weather. Okay, what we need in this, we need to add the weather things. Okay, we need to add your select country in this to select the country, and in this we need to add drop list, and option was I need to add London, I need to add Paris and New York. Okay, the last thing was is Tokyo. Okay, we added, and what we need to go back. Okay, what we need to excuse it. Okay, the country was good, and I need to add London and submit, and here we go. One item was here by London, but we need to choose, and okay, what we need. Okay, when I choose Paris, and it's give me the Paris temperature. Okay, I need to add switch. Okay, for multiple. Okay, in this we need to add three things. Okay, first we need to add city in all four. Okay, we added, and in this we need to add London, Paris, etc. Okay, London, Paris, New York, and Tokyo. Okay, we need to go back, and we need to see it is working, and when I choose Tokyo and submit it, and it's giving me the data of Tokyo, and one item was here of Tokyo, and end of the Tokyo is on 3 items. Okay, what we need is adding a edit field. Okay, we need to add edit field. Okay, in this we need to add an option, and that. Okay, we need to see. Okay, what we need is add lit. Okay, and second thing we need to add the number. Okay, it's ready, and we need to add including output fields. Okay, we need to go back and paste in all the things. Okay, we paste and come back when it is pasted and connected it. Okay, here we go. I added all the edit fields. You can see in this we need to add and temperature. Okay, in this we added same thing but changing the words, and also in New York, and everything was good. Okay, what we need to add a margin to connect all against. Okay, we need to add margin. Margin. Okay, in this we need to add 4 things to adding. Okay, we need to delete this part, it is on second. and it is on first, it is on third, and it is on last. Okay, what we need is adding HTTP request. Okay, in this URL we need to add the weather URL to get all URL I have already. You can copy it or paste and get screenshot. Okay, what we need to go back. Okay, we need to add a code. In this code we need to add a code to get in fix things to get the temperature. Okay, it is good, and we need to go back. Okay, the weather was come, we need to add to get send me a Gmail. Okay, we need to add send message. Okay, in the send message we need weather report and send to the my Gmail, and in this we need to add the weather things. What we need it JSON time, temperature, fields, all the things, and what we need is executed. Okay, we need to try on Paris and submit it. Okay, it's going to Paris and item, and we need to see the Gmail was here. Okay, the Gmail was not come. Okay, the Gmail was sent. We need to see on the Gmail. Okay, the weather report was here, but it is on HTML. What we need it is okay. Okay, we need to start it again, and it is giving me. It takes some time, and we need to wait. Okay, the email was here. We need to see. Okay, the weather report was here, and here we go. The time was here, the temperature was here, fields was here, all the things was good, and it is giving me all the temperature what we need. And thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.